the time grows wild, friend at my side, we meander mild. Rosemary whispers, sage has tales. Under yonder oak we fill our pails. Sunlight streams through leaves of mint, dew-kissed morning, a gentle hint. Lavender sway, soft in the breeze, barefoot we tread, with hearts at ease. Herbs and dreams, stories unheard, dew-kissed morning, a gentle hint. Lavender sway, soft in the breeze, barefoot we tread, with hearts at ease. Herbs and dreams, stories unheard, in secret gardens, unspoken words. Hand in hand we wander free, collecting moments for you and me. Chamomile blooms, with a smile shy, parsley and dill, reaching for the sky. Beneath the birch, in secret glen, collecting moments with every still. Chamomile blooms, with a smile shy, parsley and dill, reaching for the sky. Beneath the birch, in secret glen, collecting one with every piece, with every piece. Chamomile, with a little smile, parsley and dill, reaching for the sky. At a perch, a pen, coriander kisses, petals and praise. In each corner, a hidden grace. Nature's touch, a gentle friend, finding hers, our spirits mend. Coriander kisses, petals embrace.